No way. See, it outshines the rest of the house now.
Nah, what you mean?
My bedroom don't even look like this. I need to have y'all come do my bedroom.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is my favorite type of video. It is a makeover video. We are here to do the guest bedroom at my dad's house. Finally, we have the furniture. It came in and now we're about to get started. The first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and take care of the accent wall, and then we get to the fun stuff, bringing in all the furniture and decorating. Just want to give you guys a quick reminder of where we're starting. This was or is his guest room. Nothing in here, and he doesn't want anything too crazy, just a little something a little different. So I'm about to get started. We're going to make this our focal wall, accent wall here, and then we're just going to do the easy part, bringing in some furniture and making it look all pretty. All right, so this is where we are for now. I gotta get more wood, so I'm gonna go do that. And then, yeah, so this wall is gonna end up taking about 2 days, but it's all good. It's simple. It's a simple, easy DIY. If you guys wanna see me do some wall molding like this, step by step, if you're interested, I can show you guys. It's really it's really easy. So just let me know if you're interested in seeing a step-by-step wall molding video. I'll be glad to show you guys. So, oh goodness. Hold it up in the light, Pops. That thing look real. You should post a picture and like, look what you caught and killed.
Yeah.
Seriously? Which? I want you to relax and stop. Nah, I'm finna sit down with you. Oh. All right, for those of y'all that have never met Pops before, this is Pops. Say what's up, Pops.
Hey.
All right. So, I just wanted to bring him on camera, one, so y'all can meet him, and two, so he can tell y'all what he wants for his room. What's your vision for your guest room?
I just want it to be functional. You know, I kind of got the house together, but this room has been empty and not functional for a couple years now.
Yeah, it was like your drop-off spot.
Yeah. So, you know, in the other two rooms, it's a 4-bedroom house, so for the two rooms up front, one is my office and the other one is a TV room, and then I have my bedroom. So the guest room, which is supposed to be this, is not even functional. So I couldn't have guests come over and grandkids come over and they sleep in the game room. I just wanted to be functional.
All right. So tell the people what you told me though about my restrictions, I'll call it. He put me on a restriction that I'm struggling with, y'all.
Man, y'all not new to the channel. Y'all know how Niecy does it, and
first of all,
everybody go in the room.
No. Wait. First of all, I don't like the fact that you saying it like it's a bad thing. What do you mean? What you mean?
No, it ain't bad. I mean, you over the top. It's like you like to do things in a way that people look and go, oh my God, and start crying, and it's like
I do not.
You do it for that more so than the money.
That is not true. First of all,
like you on HGTV.
First of all, hey, HGTV, y'all hear that? But first of all, I do not try to make people cry. I just like to decorate, and I just do what I love to do. My goal is never to make anybody cry, but if they enjoy their room, then they just enjoy their room.
I've seen your videos, and everybody be yelling and screaming, and oh my God, Niecy, it's a whole new room. I'm like, okay, I don't want that.
Well, what's wrong with that?
You don't have to go all out like that. I just make it usable. Arrange some furniture, just so I can use it.
Y'all hear this?
And she having problems doing that.
Do y'all hear this? So you basically just want me to get furniture and just put it in there and leave out. That's what you want?
Well, I finally broke down so you could, because she kept asking about paint. I'm like,
Y'all,
no,
he did not even want me to do any paint. He was like, no, you don't need to paint nothing. Like, what? Then why you call me? Why did you call me? Why did you call me?
You know, I had to make it all wild and
wild. No,
elaborate. I just wanted to match the rest of the floor to make, because the house got a theme to it. You know, it's kind of.
No, it actually it doesn't. I mean, it's done, but Pops has different themes going on, so different styles. So we kind of got some furniture pieces that's modern, some that's traditional. So he called me, so guess what? I'ma do me. And you're gonna love it, right?
We gonna find out.
You're gonna love it.
Yeah, we gonna find out.
All right, y'all. So y'all heard what Pops had to say. He shouldn't have called me if he wanted it all simple and plain or whatever. Anyway, I have the wall done and I think it looks really nice. I really do. And I want to give y'all a sneak peek because y'all my peeps. And tell me what y'all think. Do y'all think that he's going to think it's too much? I don't think so. I kept it nice, straight lines. But let me know if y'all think it's going to be too much. Y'all, I like it a lot. I'm not worrying about Pops and that craziness he talking. He called me to design a room. I'm gonna design a room. God dog it. You called me because you know that this is what I do. So anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think. Now it's the fun part. The wall is done. So that was just really me putting together furniture and putting the decor in there. So that's what I'm about to get busy doing. I also did another quick DIY for this room. This artificial plant just made it look a little bit more realistic. I posted it over on TikTok, so make sure you guys are following me there as well as Instagram to keep up with all things Nisi Does It.
I can't see, so.
All right, you guys, it's time.
It's time?
It's time. It's time. Hopefully, he doesn't think it's too much. Hopefully, it's okay. So, you excited? Tell the truth, you excited?
Yeah, it's like I was just looking at the last video you did with the lady when we did the players lounge and she was screaming outside the door.
Yeah.
I feel like screaming.
Okay, so I am going to actually go in the room so I can get his reaction, and then oh, Tonio's here too. What did you say? So I'm gonna go in the room and set the camera up. It's done. Stop trying to pee.
That was a rush in there.
It's done. Okay, I'll let you know when you can come in. Y'all, if he don't like this, then I don't know what's wrong with him. Come on, Pops, be real.
Come on now you gotta do the rest of the house. Dang. It don't look like the same room. Cause I'm so used to it going this way.
Mm-hmm. You were asking for functional. Do you think it's functional?
Man, I've been moving here.
Do you feel like it?
All right, okay.
Take it all in. Take it all in.
All right, you did your thing. Dang, I felt like Corey.
What you mean?
You know, Corey, you gotta be cool with it.
Yeah.
You caught him. Oh. Hey, that's not got a photo. God, nigga.
Corey, you trying to be cool about it?
No. Oh, Niecy done did it, huh?
Yeah.
I don't believe this. It's the same room.
It's clean. It's simple. You don't feel like it's not overdone, is it?
No. It's real therapeutic.
Oh. Okay.
I don't move in here.
Okay, so tell us your thoughts, sir.
But see, it outshined the rest of the house now.
Nah, what you mean?
My bedroom don't even look like this. I need to have y'all come do my bedroom.
Well, Pops, you know this is what we do. Tell them, Tonio, this is what we do.
That's what we do, Pops. Cass, we all about this.
Oh, yeah, because I know you didn't have one in your house, so. You shocked?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah, because I always had a hard time trying to figure out what to do with this room because the room is kind of shaped funny.
Mm-hmm.
And I came in expecting it to go this way because the last time we had the bed here and the chair over here, now it's like.
Well, it's
totally switched.
Here's a rule of thumb.
The flow is a little bit better.
Yes, because here's a rule of thumb for all of y'all listening too. You never want to block your walkways. So this walkway here where the door opens, you want it to be a pathway. So a walkway will kind of tell you the flow that your room should go.
Okay.
So yeah.
TV right there. It looks like a hotel room.
And you know what? That's the vibe I was going for.
I can Airbnb this. This one right here.
Well, he likes it. So my job is done. I appreciate y'all for watching. Catch y'all on the next video. Look, Casanova and I found him a new spot. Quick.
Ooh, Cassie Bear.
Sir.